Judas is on the loose. Judas is on the loose. Judas is on the loose, just like Bruce on the loose. Judas is on the loose. Judas is on the loose. Judas is on the loose, like Bruce on the loose. Come me say, what more? What more the parasite them a go say? What more? What more the Judas them a go say? What more? And what more the cockroach them a go say? What more? But what more dirty nigga a go say? What more? What more them a go say? No, the charity it register. What more? What more them a go say? What more? And what more dirty nigga a go say? What more? No, the charity. What more? Speak my mind family. What's up? What's up? What more dirty nigga go say? What more nasty nigga go say? What am I gonna say? I them make the charity register. Cause that them gonna say, you know, see them before sorry for register the charity. I know that only the one force sorry for do. We don't want force sorry for stop charity. Only never want continue CR in a charity. So we are happening no one of the plan for happen. Because remember, you know, oh, it did happen from day one. It's not like she did a benefit from it. She never did get $1 from the charity money. So now that it's registered, she now get $1 from the charity money same way. And remember, registered charity people get paid from it. Because you have to pay the workers if I not lie. I don't know about the older. You understand what I say to you? So she never benefit nothing from it. So continue to do charity is never what you don't want to see. You don't want her to stop charity. You understand? Speak my mind family, don't know what to do, you know. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, hit the thumbs up when you hit the video, and please to watch the ads. I repeat, please to watch the ads. That's how the channel gain a revenue. Alright, and hit the thumbs up. That's how the channel, the videos get an algorithm, so it can share in a YouTube space, right? Not just right here, so it share out in YouTube space. That's what the algorithm does. And the algorithm, the more likes the video get, yes, even comments help also to give the video algorithm. So if I even want emoji, if you can't bother to type on the work, I can't have the time to type, if I want emoji, boom, and you come off. Right. And remember, up in the community, Tamika Douglas TV, give her a subscription. Remember, I'm asking for 10 subscription each week. So if you're not subscribed yet, you go subscribe now. You know, last week them fall short, which the week start Wednesday, which is yesterday. So you can just get a surplus this week. Alright? And in the comment section you have Life with Gabby and Chevy. And please remember them cake sale the 3rd of June. I beg you to support them. If you're there foreign, there's a number you can call, link, WhatsApp or call to place your order. They do free delivery, Kingston, Portmore and Spanish Town. So you can get your cake delivered right to your relative or your friend. And if you don't have a relative or friend in Jamaica and you want to support, you can just call and ask them. Well, if you want to leave that up to me, where you call and they come deliver it to me and I give it, you know, to the needy. Because you know, so we don't deal with greedy over here, we deal with needy. You understand? Just for the support. Alright? And remember the cash up pin down there, $ Life is a Mission TV. Judas is on the loose again. Judas is on the loose. Judas is on the loose. Judas is on the loose. A whole heap of thing Judas talking, you know. Based on what me understand right now, you know, there's a lot more things out there where Judas could attack, you know, people. A good thing Auntie no really have nothing, you know, out there for bring her down, because she no do nothing. It's just that some of her private business that she might share with such person, because you don't know how close such person was, you know, and that's the reason why it really paying her so much, because of such person. If it was other person, it would not hurt her so much if it was one of the other person, but to a such person, Yes, man. You understand? So, probably there's a lot more anti-private business where she might feel like she could have share with her, she could have let out. But that's how it goes. That's what I tell you every day, not trust nobody. Not even on a shadow. Not even on a picnic. We can't talk, keep it to yourself, not share it with nobody. Anything you go share with nobody, and we can go up and lighthouse, stop and talk. Whether you did want to just keep it secret for a while or you want to keep it, just like how 99 said she did kind of want to hold the whole registration of the charity, the foundation, until she feel like it's the right time to talk. But she kind of squeeze it and whisper it to her, and then she go out and tell it to the public, because this is it, I'm telling you, that's why I'm not really talk to friends and family or foreign. When you come a yard, me you will talk. Because, you see, it's like, I don't know, it's like some psychology. It's like, it's either the people them with the friends or the family we have a foreign always want you call to give them news. Why go on down a yard? Why go on with Maxine and her husband? Why go on down a yard? Why go on with Miss Chux's shop? Come in here say she taking one young boy and the young boy and out the shop and gone. Yeah, them always like them a look news. And then we call them. You always have to go look the news you carry go give them. Because guess why? Y'all look sitting. Because what? Y'all look sitting. So without the news, it's like, you can't call them. Because you don't feel a word if you call them, because you are look sitting when you call, And without the news, it's like I sell news. I don't know where you not go look at work with the gleaner. You understand? Or you can sell Star and Gleaner if you like to sell news. And if you don't have no news, sometimes you don't make up news. And through them, they are foreign, them don't know. And when you pass on the news to them, and through some of them might jump and love the mix up, them send on. And I 2-3 days after them call Suzette. Suzette, so you never tell me say Mass Jane and him wife mash up? Or you never tell me Miss Chuxi taking young boy and him mash up the shop? I will tell you that. Nothing like that, no go on. Mass Jane and him was, watch her, see my pass right now. Mass Jane and him wife good, watch her, see them here? Look on the people that live loving, I will tell you that. Miss Chuxi, no sir, Miss Chuxi not taking no young boy. Miss Chuxi have one little man over there but not a young boy. How old man that man? Miss Chuxi about 65 and the man are probably about 58. And a young boy that. He might younger now but not a young boy. I will tell them the news there. At them time they realize say you get false news. Cause the news carrier want your money. The news carrier look at shoes. The news carrier look at suit and clothes to go funeral next week. Yes. So that's why I mean I really deal with talking on phone with friends and family and friends. When you come a yard me you talk. Them always want you tell them people business. Them always want you carry this gun tell them. Me not like it. And that happened to Miss what's she name there? Yes man. Such a man, Judas. She need the people their money. So she forgot say blood thick and water. So you're supposed to be confidential. So you're supposed to hold what you know. Don't talk what you know. Whereas what you got talk is nothing of relevance to who you got tell. But as I said, because you want to sell news, because you need collaterals. So you sell the news for the collaterals while, exposing or trying to bring down a good thing. Nothing never did if you bring down. People, admin, I want to tell you people, I go at 99 and I trick snuggle with that tin of sardine. Snuggle the heat and I forgot people say they place camera up. I sneaky in and I go in. And when I go in, it come like another camera, them a sensor camera. Me only see one big bright light shining on my face and glisten upon the glasses are frightened. I think I losing my sight. When I look up, me see something so not take a camera, take me picture. Me a sneaky go in a planka shop, people. Cause me say me want thief too little. Want a 2 minute, you know. But I bite piece, you know, like how rat bite things. And so me bite piece after a little 2 minutes. Cause me here say hard me not go on bad. And the bad we had me not go on bad. Me not take your chance. Me feel like me safe still, you know. Because me not use much. And then probably through me name speak me mind. Yes. Probably them they even look over my fence because them I tell themselves say me not jump my fence coming off them yard. But poor them no know say me trick smuggle. Hangy snuggle want in a sardine. Half pull the sardine. People you want to smuggle with him pop. I try fight for pull the sardine. And then lick and the little hile come out pan him and him say yes food in there. And him there with him pa. And me just tiptoe like Pink Panther. Turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn on. And when I reach pan the veranda, I see one bright light turn on pan me. Click click as me look up in a picture take. People, no run the risk of 99. A sophisticated camera there. Hey, no think I look cheap sitting them. Them that take all picture. Admin. No catch me already, so. Like how me done have it already. Me I go just do it here. Please and thanks. I just about 2 minutes and I broke it up in about 6 different pieces. So people, wanna hear where I go on with Judas here. Cause you know me like, you know, me could have a piece who not here. And who here, me refresh on the memory. Listen to what I go on at the planka shop, boy, me I tell you. Beware, beware, beware. Say watch your friends, what you keep. Watch your family around you. They will eat and drink and then them chat you. Watch your family around you. Watch your family around you. Watch your family around you. They will eat and drink and behind your back them chat you. So watch your family around you. Listen to what I want.
Not what I planned for. I planned for a different way of announcing my business. But Judas was quick before me to announce my business. Judisha. Carl, look in there.
What's your name? I think she get new name Judisha. Or Juridisha. Or Judisha. Anyway, admin, that are just 1 second out of the minute. Me I go for the rest right now, admin. Hold on, admin. Admin, don't look over here, so. Look over so. Look over, yeah, over here, so safe. If me even jump the fence, I show me here 2 mango drop. Me I go over the fence feet. Remember the mango tree the right hour. You understand? So me here 2 mango drops, so me I go for admin. Me now go for arm or earth, admin. Look over the next side, penetrate the next side, admin, me soon come. Anyway, guys, let me cool down the radiator before we play the next couple seconds. Because if admin run me down, and me have to jump back the fence, smuggle might come after me too. Because the sardine could have done by now. So at least the radiator cool down. It now overheat. Let me drink the water. Because me here say hot me not go on bad. That's why me have to eat a little piece of crumbs. Can't buy too big. So listen now. Anyway, guys.
So, as you guys heard about it through the grapevine, D.M.G Foundation is officially registered.
Before I go any further, congratulations, ma'am. I know a lot of them is going to come out, ma'am, and say they are the one that force you to do it, ma'am. And if them never tell you if you register charity, you wouldn't do it, ma'am. And that is the naysayers, not the plankers. Not the real supporters of your channel, ma'am, and your platform, ma'am. A lot of them is going to come out and talk. But I can tell you this. None of them never want this. Whether register or unregister, none of them never want this. They want to see the back of you in charity. No matter the consequence. Them not send $1 come give not one of the recipient them. All when them fall upon hard times after you take them off of the program. One get up every day asks is Solani from last year. She asks is Solani. She can't see Solani. Them draw all kind of accusation about Solani and house and who live in a house and who not live in a house. And she asks is Solani that a curly she. And whole Christmas, there is so many ways she could have sent something to give Solani and she still not send not even $20. She finally see Solani one day and she talk about Solani look good and this and that. And up to today, she still don't send $20 to give Solani. But these are the people who want to see the back of you in charity. And they don't plan to help nobody in this world. Because them can't even help themselves. Much as them relative. So how them are going to help stranger? You understand? So now make them come out, come go and like say, oh, we make sure do that. We. I'm big up my chest. This is never what you no want to see. This was just what you not talking. Cause you're not talking and one about, oh, why should not register charity? Wait. I don't want to see the back of her. Because what? She a do it too good. She a get too much support from all over the world. People trust her too much. Her name a expand like when you throw cursing oil pan elastic band, it just a expand a go away so. A stretch a go away so. I saw her name just a stretch a go away so. The same woman we can fly to America, everything does happen one time. She did tell on you know. She do things in sequence. And she no do nothing in a rush, she do everything planned. And nobody can force her to do what she don't want to do or force her to do things before time. Remember, she did tell her no. There's so much things that are dashing on her face little. And she said there is a lot more to come. Yes, and she was warning us for true as plankers. Not only haters, because she cared less about Uno. But she were telling us, yes man, there's a lot more to come. But I just going to take my time to get to them and reveal them to my plankers. But guess what me know? She figured say Judas didn't hear about a little because he trust so we did having a Judas. You know, we whisper two little things to Judas. A good thing we never tell Judas say boy we asleep with John Harry or Steven Seagal, Chuck Norris, Schwarzenegger or Rambo. A good thing we never tell Judas that. I suppose we did trust Judas as we own and say, alright Judas, you know, say me teeth one little piece. And I told me eat some salt last night. The pig still never scar off good and it did salt bad. And me couldn't resist the bees boy. See them bite me or so. A good thing she never can tell Judas that. Cause I know that it a hard bout in social media. Yes man. That's why I tell you to keep on a personal affair to yourself. Not talk about nobody, have no back or no trust nobody. None at all. Because you see the love of money. The love of money, man. All your own. Sell your out for the love of money. Them now remember how much you normally give them on a daily basic. Remember that and accumulate it and so much it reach for a week. You used to give them $50 a day. And for the 7 day, you understand that is $350. Them not check it so. Them check the man they come one time and give them 200 because you have 50 you give them every day. That man come and give them 200 for 1 day for the week. Them never do the maths and realize say 1 day for the week is just that him give them 200 one time and a 50 you normally give them each day. But them must say that far short of $150 at the end of the week. What you give to them is more. Penny wise and pound foolish. So then sell out the little where them get on a regular basic because them want big money. What kind of partner? What kind of car? I never know what you did want to do with the money. But girl, me I tell you, you play a fool of yourself. And right now, at 2 hard times, we don't really want hard times take nobody. And you have the little young one. And because you have the little young one, we might not play too hard for you. We're going to leave you to time and make God handle it. Because you are a child of God as called into you. So we will make God deal with you. We as human out here not going to deal with you. Continue, Miss D.
Do anything without not planning it. So when I found out that my filing was coming through, at the time I was finished with charity. I don't want to do any more charity. A few of my loyal donors, Carol is one of them, Miss Lotia, and some from England, some vloggers who, love me very much, said, Auntie Donna, I know you say you finish charity and you're done with it. But
Anyway, me tell you say a crumbs me I take up me can't do too much. So me I tell you from now on here, who wasn't the one make she do this. His loyal friends and supporters. Alright? You hear a few names and there's a lot more names she said she could have called. And she never call out the bloggers them. Me never unite though. Because me never call her. Honestly, me not tell no lie, me never call her. Cause me tell you say me no like that, Me do things natural. If me buck up a planka shop and me see her and me feel like say auntie, no make them get to you about done charity. And help them now want you help poor people because through them born a suffer. Them just want to see sufferation continue in this world. Them no want nobody if try stop it. And that them are the same one the America talk about Jamaica this, Jamaica that. Then if you stop help the needy, how it a go have? Them now go start rush off of the people, them are greedy, and you know what next. So people, don't take props to this one. You hear why she do it? Alright, let's move on to the next piece.
only me and Auntie Paula. I didn't hear about it. No, she knew about it this year because I had to add another treasurer. Me and Auntie Paula doing our thing from last year and Natalie. Nobody knew about it. This year, I call, I'm going to specifically call the person Judas, and I said, Judas, so me I do something, not knowing that I was telling Judas to put my business out there. XYZ, me no want you say it to nobody, me trust you, keep this to yourself, don't tell nobody, and etc.
You see why me not trust nobody?
Anyway, a Blanca shot, me forgot it because when I heard this start, they told me that it's not going to come and
You hear? Me trust you. Don't tell nobody. And why me trust you? Because you one of me own. And that's why Jesus, me feel like me balls squeeze up, boy. I feel like me balls squeeze up a while ago. When your family let you down like that, man, you feel it to the core, man, your nerves. I just thinking about one of my family doing something like that to me. And it not happened to me, and I feel like my balls squeeze up a while ago. Why? Hey.
in the open. So when you do it now, when you register it, don't come on the system same time. At Jamaica, it takes a while for it to come up where you can see it online. And when I did it, I tell few people about it. Bloggers, a few bloggers had, before I heard about it with the bloggers,
Make me skip over this, but me never was one of the blogger we know. Me never know people, so no ask me how me never tell them. Me no know. And if me did know, me wouldn't tell them. Although me no blood, yeah, although me no family, would keep it. Because you must be first people to do certain things. Allow them to do it. And as me tell you, me no carry news money. Me no carry news gain. If me have to tell you something, me tell you. And me have to know say it ready. Because if you don't have nothing to do with it, when me I come tell you say. When me I come tell you say. If me see the woman around there, so just go around there say with a man. You don't know the woman from Adams. So when me I come tell you say, you know say me see the woman just go around there say with a man and her husband in the house. Me now come tell you that. You know that now have nothing to do with you. So when me I come tell you that for. But true, me have my intention. Me I look something. Me I look something. So, me have to find something to approach you. It come like when some man out the road. Then see a woman, them not really know if you approach the woman, so they just pick some farmer argument. Sometimes it works, sometimes it not work. Sometimes when say it's not even the right thing to say. But him just a try find something to say. Because he want to start a conversation. So it's like Judas now. Judas need money, so Judas have to find all kind of things to say. Whenever necessary. Because I don't think this woman or this man, whosoever Judas carry the news to, did ask Judas anything about this. Judas just want to give information because she need to collect money. She must say was a farmer worker of the Jamaica Information Service, which is JIS, that belongs to the government. I don't know. But she just sell information. That's it. She was selling information. I want to see with that. The last little piece is me a thief admin. You can't let us smuggle now. Let us smuggle now. Let him go take up the sardine tin and might cut him. I last piece this.
Somebody reached out to me from Florida and said to me, we never know you register the charity. Remember, I know. I said, where you get that from? And the person said to me, say, admin, you see the message? Alright.
Auntie, I'm here ask me adding about. Auntie. Jesus, she not answer. Hey, people, me gone. Me gone. Me gone. Me gone. Oh, she should call me. I'm here. Me hear what she say. Oh, I know me. Alright, auntie. Me do never dare do me that, auntie. Cause you know me now, yeah. You know me now, do not know disrespectful, auntie. Yeah. Me just thief a little piece. The only thing me that say that will cost me about, auntie. Is it true me come there with this sardine? Me think you feel like me a try TM smuggle. No, me not TM him. But me never want snuggle for rush me. So me pull the sardine pathway and give smuggle. Yeah, me pull the sardine pathway and give him. It no cut him. No, man, it no cut him, man. Because him there with him paw and him a try pull it. Auntie, him smart, you see, auntie? Him this time him a try pull it. And him a try pull it. And when the oil splash up on him, and him lick him out, yes, man. And then so me catch him now, because me see something in the pan. So me just tick-tock like Pink Panther. Yes, auntie. But me never know, sir, so your camera them sophisticated. No, sir. How will you buy them, the auntie? 20 years from now, when me buy one house in a auntie, because me not reach certain age, and I no buy one house in a auntie and say me no want a house in a. Yeah, man, me have ambition, auntie, man. I want him with me in a auntie. Me have ambition, man. Yes, man. What you talk about? Me no want gonna find. Me no want. Auntie, if me never go foreign 40 odd years ago, auntie, me never better go again for that foreign done in auntie. Yeah, man, foreign done, man. Then who they all long auntie, stay done for some of them. Kudos to the good people, them go out there, put out them hard work and sweat and earn what them want, auntie. Yes, man. But auntie, me I tell you, the camera nearly blind me, you know. When me go and see the light come on and me look up in there, me click, and me picture take auntie. But me thank you, man. Thank you. Me I last little piece me I go use, auntie. One little piece. But me get scared a while ago and me go for lock off the camera. Yes. Because me think when me say, admin, me think of me. Alright. Yes, man. Alright. Tomorrow, alright? Yeah. People, I never me, auntie just call me. Me play the last piece and go well. Me stay a long call and make admin come look for me.
Person said to me, say, so and so tell me. I couldn't tell the person say a lie because the person, when the person said tell them, they know about it and they had
That is Judas.
said just keep this privately. This is something between me and you. Nobody make and Paula. Paula never tell nobody at all.
Natalie never tell nobody.
Natalie not tell nobody at all, but the person went and shared it with not just one person, more than one person.
What?
When I hear about it, you know.
Me done this for people. So Judas is up on a rampage. A big money Judas is that look. How will the rasta this? No, sir. You no can look up in my fene, yeah. You no can look up in my fene. A big money Judas is that look, but you feel like when somebody couldn't get her it. So she go around and spread the woman privacy, private business all around. Pan phone. Cause she want to take a 5 from that one, yeah. She want to take a 2 from that one, yeah. And if she knows that one, yeah, one big donor, she want to take a 10. And probably that one, she gonna tell that one, say, yes, man, I will give it back in 3 months' time, you know. I know you now can't afford to give me. I must that Judas did that try, though. Judas did that try raise a big money. Jesus, please. Watch your friends, what you keep. Be careful of your family where you have around you. Cause behind your back, they will chat you. Just for $1 or 2. Your own family will get up and chat you. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching. Every day me want to know. If you don't want to take heed, you don't stand there. You can't stand there. Yes, man. You can't stand there and not take heed. Every day me want to know. Be careful of who surrounded. Be careful of who call friend. Be careful of who say have no back. Family, friend, picnic, mother, sister, brother. Be careful. What I say? Oh, nobody keep your secret better than you. Nobody. The only time you intend to let out your secret, you know, is when you trust somebody, you know. And you say, alright, let me share it with her. Because she have me back or have me back. You don't even know, say, I see them want to see the back of you. So when you stay there, I want to not even no shadow, no muscle trust. One time I tell you, say, when you're left on no yard, I want to come. I want to reach on a gate. Walk past on the gate. Don't just come and jump in on the yard, because people in there lay wait, you know. Pass on the yard and observe and see if you don't see anything strange or hear any strange noise. And when you go down the road and pass, you pass again, go back up the road and you still look again before you come and try enter. And if not, your wings lick a bit too before you go in. How much time I tell you that? Watch your friends that you keep. Speak the mind, people. You don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And please to watch the ads. Remember Tamika Douglas TV in the community. Give her a subscription. And don't you so Life with Gabby and Chevy. Give her a subscription. And remember the cash app down there. $. Life is a Mission TV. Continue to support my backup channel. Life is a Mission TV. If you have not yet subscribed to that channel as a new subscriber over here, go over there and give it a subscription. Life is a Mission TV. Family oriented channel. Different side of me. Indoor, outdoor cook vlogs. You know, drama, entertainment, news cars. You name it. Yes, man. Bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching again. I'm out. Judas is on the loose. Look out for Judas. You don't know if you is going to be next. Not with the same Judas, but with a Judas of your own. Be careful.